Good afternoon, y'all. We got the Sierra with the Silverado bed back again. I'm gonna change these ratty ass tail lights. Got me some from Amazon. Hopefully you can see the number there. Some nice LED tail lights. I gotta run the wires. I got the other ones. I'm just gonna tuck the wires and zip tie them up, and I'll bring y'all back when I get these in. It should only take a couple minutes. All right. Yeah, I know I got a tailpipe rattling there. Taillights look nice. Speaking of tailpipes, see one's down farther than the other. I'm gonna fix that and I'll bring it back when it gets darker out so you can see what them taillights look like at night. These was only like $110 on Amazon. Alright, hold on, we'll bring you back as soon as it gets dark. Alright, of course, set this up, cut them on for you. I didn't get the exhaust fixed. What I tried to do with it didn't work, so I'm gonna have to take it somewhere and get it done, get some new hangers put on it. But cut these lights on for you. So yeah, I think they look pretty nice. Don't mind the tag light and the tag hanging under the bed. That was the best option. I'm working on getting either the brackets for the bumper or another bumper for it, because I got a newer bumper, but I can't find the damn brackets to fit on it. But if you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you do me a favor, drop a comment, tell me what you think of them. Make sure you like this. If you ain't subscribed already, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you watching. Hope y'all having a good night.